Hey, in the last video, I told you to send one text. Tell one man what you are actually fighting. If you did this, this video is for you. If you didn't, this video is why you need to. Look, telling one person is a doorway, not a destination. Here's what happens to a lot of men. They confess once. They feel the weight lift for about a week, 2 weeks, and then they quietly drift back into the exact same pattern because confession without structure just becomes a real, honest relapse cycle. The honesty was real. It just wasn't enough by itself. So today, I'm going to give you the actual system, the 3 things that separate men who stay free from men who keep confessing the same thing every 6 months. First is visibility. Not just telling someone once, but staying seen. Private struggles grow in the dark and they shrink in the light every time, no exceptions. That means a regular check-in, not a one-time confession, doesn't have to be complicated. One text a week, one honest sentence. This week was a win, or this week I slipped. The context of the text matters less than the fact that it exists. A man who's answering someone weekly is playing an entirely different game than a man relying on a private resolve. Second, friction. Right now, for most men, the path from boredom to failure is one tap long. Zero resistance, so willpower alone never stands a chance against it. The fix isn't more willpower, it's more friction. Put something between you and the failure. Move your phone out of the bedroom at night. Use a filter. Tell your accountability partner your passwords. None of that is weakness. It's the same reason a recovering alcoholic doesn't keep a bottle in the kitchen, out of pride. Removing access isn't giving up the fight. It's how you actually win it. And third, and this is one almost nobody talks about, replacement. You can't just remove something from your life and leave a hole there where it was. Willpower can white knuckle an empty space for a while, but eventually something fills it. And if you haven't chosen what, your old pattern will. So ask yourself, what's the thing I actually do instead of in that exact moment that I used to give in? A call to that same accountability partner, a walk, scripture, if that's genuinely where your mind goes in this moment, not as a performance, but as a real redirect. Decide this before the moment comes, not during the moment. Visibility, friction, replacement. That's the system, not motivation, mechanics. And mechanics work on your worst day, which is exactly the day motivation won't show up. If episode 1 was the wake-up call, this becomes the blueprint. Next time I want to show you this isn't just a men's issue. Someone that I know and I'm good friends with has a story. It's going to change how you see this whole conversation. Subscribe now so you don't miss that conversation.